Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. My name is Ansari. I am an architect by profession. My question is, when we talk about luxuries of life, where do we draw the line? For example, once upon a time, the air conditioner used to be a luxury, at least for us who are living in India. Now we have accepted that air conditioner is necessary. It has become a necessity almost in all the bedrooms. So please guide us, where do we draw the line?
Jazakallah khairan. Wa alaikum assalam, Brother Ansari. It's a very, very good question. And may Allah give you success in your profession. We want to see the next tallest building come from your company, inshallah. Where we draw the line in regards to the luxuries of life has to be determined based upon the Sharia of Islam, that is what is lawful, as well as the customs, the ordinary customs of the people in terms of what they need and what they have in general. If, for example, the masses of the people don't have a particular item, for say, for example, like air conditioners, then at that time that it's only exclusive for a few, it would be a luxury. But if it becomes available for everyone, then it's no longer luxury, and so there will be no blame in having that. You see? Another example, take the most expensive car that you might buy, a Bentley or something. Well, there may be 100 people who don't even have a car, but you have the means to buy a Bentley, whereas if you would be satisfied maybe buying a Nano, you know, then you could have 100 other people that also buy a Nano, and everybody will be able to move forward together. So it has to be based upon the customs of the people, of course, consistent with the Sharia, and then within reasonable need. You see, we're not discouraged from having, you know, the good things of life, but it's when we go to the excess, you see, when we go beyond our needs. And the Prophet ﷺ demonstrated never going beyond his essential need. You see, so he was asked, I believe, one day, what should we give in sadaqah? And he responded, to give what is beyond your need. You know, if you determine that something, if you need to have 5 TVs, you know, in your house, 1 TV in every room, then maybe that's a need, but I don't think so. You'd have to use your judgment and being honest with yourself and firm with your family to let them know, look, we don't need no 5 TVs. 1 TV is sufficient, and we'll regulate how it's used and what's watched on it. You see? So, again, we should practice the life of austerity or zuhud to the extent that we're not putting ourselves to undue hardship, you see, but at the same time, nor are we going to excess, you see? Nah, in Allah knows best.